up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what's in my drone bag. I carry all my equipment in here. I recently made a video about this bag. It's called the DACCKIT. It's going to be linked down below. You could buy it on Amazon. So let's jump in and see what's in my bag. Alright guys, so first of all I carry my iPad. This is my editing tool, as well as when I shoot on a drone I use my iPad. I have my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I recently made a video about it as well. My cable for my Rilo 360. Let's jump into right here first. So here I have my field pouch, Rilo 360. I have my vlogging mic, GoPro case, my drone landing pad, my tripod for vlogging, my wide angle lens for my vlogging setup, camera phone holder for my vlogging setup, my charger to charge equipment, GoPro mount. It's a must. A dust cleaner for the drone. Selfie stick for my vlogging setup. Alright, so that is everything inside this pocket. I got my portable power bank to charge my equipment. A bunch of cables for the drone. SD card holder case. Let's see what's inside here. Extra joysticks for the controller. More equipment for the drone. Alright, so then we have the controller for the Mavic 2 zoom. The Mavic 2 zoom itself. One battery. 2 batteries. 3 batteries. 4 batteries. And the 5th one on the drone. I got the 360 mount holder for the drone. I got the GoPro cable. More SD card holders. More GoPro mounts. GoPro battery. Rilo 360 battery. Extra props for the Mavic 2 zoom. My SD card transfer. More propellers. Another Rilo battery. My SD card holder case. Let's see, a bunch of GoPro mounts. Alright guys, and wow, this little case or bag fit all of this stuff in. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, about 25 items, and then probably like 35 items in general if you're including all the cables and stuff. So for $35, this is actually a great bag. Very happy with this. Keeps all my equipment on the go. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Follow, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Everything will be linked down below what I have here. You could find all of this on Amazon. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.